Welcome back. We're answering your questions now. First up, a video question for Rich.
This is Scott Holbein from Grass Valley, California. My question is, with potential tech regulations, what are the impacts potentially to Costco or grocery stores that sell their own products?
Rich Saperstein?
Scott, good question. There's really no impact on the online grocers, and we really like Costco. 4% free cash flow yield, growing aggressively, exceptionally well managed, and we would view them as Amazon-proof.
Okay, good stuff. Joe, to you from Rad in Dallas. Hi, Joe. What's the reason to sell ICE? Isn't a higher volume a friend to ICE higher earnings?
I had to make a decision. I had too much trading revenue exposure through Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and the NASDAQ. You noted that I utilize quality and momentum as my two factors for investing philosophy. I measured NASDAQ versus ICE. ICE is losing momentum by every metric, 5-day, month-to-date, year-to-date versus NASDAQ. I held on to NASDAQ. Great earnings today for NASDAQ, and that actually worked out well.
All right, good stuff. Steve Weiss to you. Bruce in Washington. Akamai, been trading sideways for months now. It's getting whacked now. Is it still a buy and a good holding for a long-term investor?
Well, two things. I share your frustration. However, the stock's still up 26% year-to-date, and I wouldn't say it's getting whacked. It traded down a little bit because they're in the same business, CDN as Fastly, except this is a far superior company making money, making good money, whereas Fastly is losing money. So the money that you had in Fastly should go into Akamai. They report next week. I think it'll be a pretty good quarter.
Okay, thank you for that. Finally, Carrie, to you from Jerry in Massachusetts. You own Thermo Fisher. Jerry wants to know if it's a long-term hold or a sell right now.
Oh, Jerry, Thermo just reported a fantastic quarter. They blew past the estimates. COVID testing was $2 billion in revenue, and it's profitable. We think that it's a long-term buy. I think all those estimates are going to have to go up for next year and the year after, so we'd stay with it.
Okay, good stuff. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for the questions, too.